Hi, I'm Dr. Amanda Davis. I'm a licensed clinical psychologist and the secretary of the board for Youth Empowered to Prosper. Today, I'm going to be talking about a chapter in Seeking Safety called Taking Good Care of Yourself. The chapter in the book can be found on page 174 to start, and we're going to be mostly talking today about the self care questionnaire on page 179. I'm going to also be sharing that on my screen right here, so I'll pull that up. The most important part of this chapter is right here. So the self-care questionnaire has a lot of different questions, as you can see, that are all around the typical topic in seeking safety, which is safety, and specifically about taking care of physical and emotional risk of harm. So it has a lot of different things about, are you going to the doctor? Are you taking your medications? Do you live in safe housing? Are you avoiding driving under the influence? So lots of different things about physical health, and then also some um, mental and emotional health questions. Are you attending treatment regularly if they're in any kind of therapy or self-help groups? Do they have enough structured time, daily schedule? Are there ways that they help themselves to be organized and productive on top of things, attending religious services, and then any other things that they might do for self-care? There's also, as always, a lot of notes in the book about how to have conversations about self-care with teens. Um, these are some notes about what might get in the way or what might come up as you discuss self-care with a teen, particular to people who have experienced trauma or who might be using substances, and also with the overall message that self-care is a process and can be developed over time, isn't something you do or don't do, but actually a process or a skill to develop. So these are just really good jumping off questions. I think every teen could benefit from a check-in around these topics at least quarterly. So at least during the semester, maybe at the beginning and the end, just checking in about some of these different issues, and the questionnaire already being here in the book, or you can print it if you have the online version. It's just an easy way to have someone else asking the questions, so you don't have to feel put on the spot or know what to ask about. It's just very broad, and you can look together with the teen at areas that she might need to improve upon. As always, thank you for tuning in to this week's training around the topic of self-care, taking good care of yourself within the Seeking Safety module. Thank you for your participation in YEP's mentorship program, and I look forward to seeing you at our next training.